Well, hello tubes. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today. We got a bit of an unboxing for you today. It's basically about this brand new Lightning USB cable. If you're curious, it is 10 feet. It is for my iPhone basically. It has a lot of different information on the box as well. And also different compatibilities of different phones. Very nice. But we're going to take a look at it and we're going to see if it works or not for my iPhone 6S right here basically. And we're going to try it out and see what it does. But let's go ahead and open it and have some awesome fun. Alright, and basically here is the package and the box itself. Of course, here is my iPhone, there's my charger. But basically, let's go ahead and just open this package. Alright, the looks pretty well packed, should I say. You got any instructions? Nah, not really. Just some safety boring information. Yeah, we don't need to look at that. But yeah, looks nice. 10-foot USB Lightning cable. That's crazy. This is going to be one nice cable to charge my phone. Boing. Oh, this crazy cable. Alright. Let's test it out and see if it works. I'll plug it in over here. And we're going to plug it in my phone. And yes, indeed, it does charge my phone. Awesome. You kind of see right up in that little corner there. My phone's charging. Sweet. Nice. There you go, tubes. Basically, that was the unboxing of the 10-foot USB cable and a bit of a test to make sure this generic cable actually works with my phone, and that is awesome. Basically, it's a very long cable, and basically, you know, Lightning cables break all the time because a lot of oil and stress on the connectors. Basically, where they normally would break is basically here, or sometimes over here by the USB port, basically. But yes, it was a very nice Lightning cable, and yes, it will work for my phone, basically my 6S, basically. And it's an awesome phone, by the way. But sweet, and that's a nice cable to have when you need to charge your phone. Now, of course, I know newly made longer cables means if I'm sitting on my bed or something like that, I can basically have my phone plugged into this awesome long cable, basically. And that's amazing. But alright, if you guys enjoy this supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hope to see you in the future vlog. Catch you later. To all my fans out though.